Well, good day, folks. Welcome to another video of me talking about a knife. For today, we have got a knife from the Rough Ryder Desert Fox series. I've got several pieces from the Red Fox series, and I wanted to get one from the Desert Fox series. And what I picked up was the Barlow. Now, I would really have liked to have gotten the Canoe in the series. They didn't have one. Actually, I don't even know if they make one for this series. But I'd seen a lot of people talk about Barlows, and a lot of people seem to have a great affinity for them. So I thought I'll pull the trigger, get one, and see what the fuss is all about. So the overall closed length, it comes in at about 3 1/3 inches. You've got black and orange layered micarta handles. Got your nice orange fox shield. Nickel silver ribbon bolsters. Brass pins. Brass liners. Orange underlaying accent scales. Fit and finish seems really nice. The pins, nothing, can't feel them at all. Scales all come together nice, nothing there. No significant gapping anywhere in the springs I can see here where the scales come together. You've got 2 blades, first being a clip point blade. Nice firm pull on that, nice good snap. The blades are 440A stainless steel. Got your swedge across the top, match strike pull on the nail nick. Blade grind looks pretty even across. The other side seems to be matched up fairly well, and again, fairly even, maybe a little bit heavy towards the tip. That's nice and firm there. I got no worries about using that knife. Good snapback. Nice walk and talk. Second blade. Get your pen blade. Again, a nice firm pull. Nice good snap. Handle lots of pressure. Your grind here looks pretty good. Good and even. Nice and even to the other side. Again, that can handle some pressure. Good strong snapback. Your blade lengths. Your main blade comes in at just about 2 1/2 inches on the overall length, and just a touch over 2 inches on the cutting surface. Nice satin finish. Pen blade. You've got an overall length just shy of 2 inches and a cutting surface at about 1.5 inches. Your blade alignment. Your main blade just a touch maybe to the show side, and your pen blade maybe just a touch to the back, but they're not rubbing on the sides at all. No. Not a whole lot. You can say it might be a little right there. It might be a little bit of a gap or deformation there. But overall, it's a well put together knife. I got no complaints about that, particularly for the price. I think it was $12.97 off of Chicago Knife Works, if I remember right. Yeah. Oh, I can't say anything really negative about a Barlow. Just good in the hand. No real hot spots. You can take a good grip on it. I often worry with the rough Ryders. I find this wedge on the blades looks really nice. But sometimes with some of the closed blades, you can actually feel that swedge bite into your hand. But not with this one. Wedge is far enough back, drop point, the clip point that really doesn't reach your hand. Yep, I got no complaints about that. I don't know that a Barlow would ever become my favorite style of knife, but certainly got no complaints about it. Let me find a piece of paper here to cut. Never have paper when you need it. That looks like something I don't need. Can't complain too much about that. Say it cuts. There you have it. The Rough Ryder Desert Fox Barlow. If you like a Barlow, I think this might be a pretty good knife for you. Anyway, I appreciate y'all checking the video out, and stay tuned. We'll come back with some more in the next few days. Until then, be safe, play safe, and do try and be handy. We need more handy people in the world now. Y'all take care.